This is the face of excitement right here. Why hello, it's your gal Dimply Bean back at it again with some more content, some new content, some exciting content. Or maybe it's just me that is excited, I don't know. As you could tell from my teaser videos throughout September, I've been alluding to something happening today. Well, it's more than just today. It's this entire month. Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna be doing a video every day this month as part of a new series on this channel called Hallobean. Yay! I am very excited to do this. I am equally as excited by the name. I don't know why I haven't thought of it earlier. I'm actually a little bit disappointed in myself that I never thought of it earlier. Every single day this month, I'm going to be releasing a new video. So we're gonna have SFX, we're gonna have makeup, we're gonna have crafts, we're gonna have cooking. Who knew this bean could cook? So yeah, I'm very excited to finally be able to share this with you. I've been planning this for months now. I can't believe that it's finally here, that I'm actually finally sharing this with you and doing this. I can't wait. Subscribe. I know it seems to be a lot to ask you to subscribe from a video where I haven't actually given you any content, but subscribe because you're gonna have 30 days of exciting bean content if you do. Hit that bell icon too, then you can keep up to date with this spooky adventure. Let me know down in the comments. What do you think? Are you excited? Yeah? Tell me. I really want to know. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!